I like your green sweatpants today.
Green? Look at them. Pretty nice, aren't they?
Yeah, you look like the Grinch.
Good morning, Pedro! Today is Monday, November the 6th, and I'm Chase Blevins.
And I'm Gavin Griffin.
Today, the Texas Roadhouse rolls will be delivered during 7th period.
And our juniors will be taking the ASVAB test today, so be quiet when passing around the cafeteria. And tomorrow's election day, so we don't got school, so don't come here. On Wednesday, we'll have a rep from OU Southern Campus speak to all seniors. The trip is on November the 9th. Come and get that in.
Friday, we got a blood drive sponsored by the Biomed program and the Red Cross. Friday, so drink your water.
That's right.
And give that blood.
Don't forget that the Science Club Warm and Fuzzy Drive is going on until December 9th. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
And good morning. Stay classy, Rock Hill High School.
Morning, Pedro. This is you, Weatherman, Hotman. Today's weather report is sponsored by Hershey's. Today, it's going to be in the 60s. It's a pretty good week. Yeah, it looks like a pretty good week, folks. This is Hotman the Weatherman. Back to you in the studio.
Happy birthday to you.
When the autumn leaves are playing.
Are you immersed in mythical monsters?
Do you revel in RPGs?
Ever wonder about that one game they played on Stranger Things?
Well, let Miss Whitworth know. If there's enough people interested, we'll have an informational meeting sometime this week.
And Lily Clark will be our dungeon master.
Friday, November 10th is the blood drive sponsored by the Biomed program and coordinator Landon Rose.
Donating allows you to save 3 to 4 lives. All donors will receive a red card or distinction to wear for graduation. This cord is only worn for Red Cross.
To donate, you must be 16 years older. If you're just 16, you need a parent permission slip signed. I get that from Landon. It must be turned in the day of the drive. You will be turned away without the form. 17 years of age and up do not need this form.
All donors, please follow some helpful hints.
Please eat breakfast. This is crucial to having good iron level. Please eat. Girls must weigh a minimum of 125 pounds. Girls will be turned away if you weigh under the 125-pound weight limit.
If you are not feeling well, you also will not be able to donate on the day of the drive.
Please drink plenty of water. This is crucial for your blood donation to go smoothly. Please drink plenty of water.
You might want to dress in layers so you can roll up your sleeves during the donation.
You will be sought in your classroom at the time of your appointment from a biomed student. Please do not show up on the mezzanine. You will need to read through some Red Cross material prior to giving.
Please bring an ID. If you do not have an ID, you will not be allowed to donate.
After your donation, you will stay in the canteen area for approximately 15 minutes. You must return to class after that.
Any questions or any students that would like to donate but have not signed up, please see with Landon Rose or Miss Long in the 300 wing.